Hey, friends. I am so excited to be back with you again this month. We're going to be using the Bella Boulevard Walking on Sunshine Shots of Life kit. You're going to get this incredible paper. Look at how cute that is. The back of it is this gorgeous, like Swiss dots. I'm also going to be using some blue cardstock from my stash, as well as the sticker sheet from the embellishment kit. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut down this blue cardstock into four 6x4 sections and then four 3x4 sections. Then I'm going to take that paper and just begin to cut it down into 4x6 sections, or even cutting some of those down into 3x4s. So just kind of initially laying out the layout. I am using Design A from an old Becky Higgins Project Life page protector here. There are still some of those around. I have quite a few of them. So I love to take the extra photos from our vacations and just kind of like print them down, like, in these little 3x4s, and try to get as many of them as I can on the page. And when I put these into my vacation albums, I will actually put these pages right smack in the middle, like where they would fit in the chronological order of the vacation. So I love that little rainbow tag at the top. I had to use it. It's so cute. Look at it. So right here I have my basic layout, and now I'm just going in and using kind of my leftover pieces to see if I can mat some of those photos, as well as I realized that my photo protector was backwards. So let's go ahead and fix that. But as I was saying, I used some of the leftover pieces from the pattern paper to back my photos. So just taking some of those pieces and just making a quick little mat that's easy for those little 3x4 sections. Looking at what I have left over, are there any of those little pieces that I would like to use as design elements? And I love that little rainbow heart that says you and me. Thought it was absolutely perfect. So my husband and I went to this incredible resort when we were in Cozumel. It was called La Casa de Playa, and it was run by the tour company Tripping Cool, and it was so incredible. We had the entire resort to ourselves. There were 6 people total on our excursion, which was incredible. We had a personal chef, we had a bartender, we had a waiter. We went snorkeling. There was what do you call those? An infinity pool. They did have massages if you wanted to do those. We didn't. It was just such a beautiful day. The water absolutely crystal clear. We also took some fun pictures in the port area. That's the one at the very top. This is Cozumel. And then on our way back, there was this bar called Three Amigos, and they had these donkeys. You can see that's the picture there, happy as can be. And my husband sat down on the bench between the donkeys. It was pretty hilarious. We stopped by Ron John's surfwear and took some pictures outside with all the surfboards. And then, of course, we had to take the pictures in front of the cruise ship. I can't remember which ship we were on. We did 2 cruises. They call it side by side. We had a day in between. So I can't remember if that was the Carnival Liberty or the Carnival Valor. We sailed on both of those within the 2-week period. So again, just taking some of those other pieces from the embellishments, or from the, I shouldn't say embellishments, from the pattern paper, and cutting those out. And then now going in and using some of the leftover papers to mat the photos. So this whole layout came together in I want to say like less than 30 minutes. It was pretty quick. I think the hardest part was just trying to balance out the photos, but all in all, pretty quick. And I think in the end, I end up with 7 photos. I believe we end up with 7 photos on this one page, which is pretty tremendous if you ask me. Now, you could get even more photos on here. Like you could take that 4x6 section and you could do like a grid of like 4 photos on there, or even like 6 or 8 photos. They would be very small, but you could definitely do it. And I have done it in the past. So now I'm just making the little title card, and I'm just taking one of the borders from the sticker sheet. That sticker sheet does come from the embellishment kit. And going ahead and getting that other card ready with the rainbow tag, taking some twine from my stash, because of course you have to have twine in a tag. We're going to tie that bad boy up. Anyway, this was such a fun day. We could not have asked for a better experience. We got just so incredibly lucky. So just taking another of the scalloped border, adding that to the bottom of that title card. I love this, today's sunny story. It's absolutely perfect. And just making a quick decision and adding that straight on top of the tag. I love this little ice cream cone. I don't know if it actually ends up in the final layout, honestly, but I thought it was really cute and I wanted to use it. Again, I don't know if I did, but I wanted to. So I'm taking my Bella Boulevard Florence alphabets, which I love. And I decided to kind of mimic the Cozumel sign that is in one of those photos. And so I took several different sticker sheets, running the gamut in the rainbow, and spelled out the word Cozumel. And I just used the ruler as a placeholder while I was deciding how I was going to arrange the title. So I was looking for a round embellishment. So I used this sticker that says Good Vibes Only, and then I rounded the title around that sticker. So love that little Cozumel. Oh my gosh, what a mess. What a mess. All right. So putting things into place. And I am taking everything out right now because in order to photograph it, it's hard with the page protector. You get a little bit of glare. Taking my little date stamper and dropping that in, and we are just about done. So now I'm just going in and adding a couple more little embellishments, some little words here and there, and then I will use some of those epoxy dots that did come in your Shots of Life kit. So I love that. Smiles for days. You are my sunshine. Love this day. And shine on. I thought those were all such perfect additions to the page. And then of course, love. So this just kind of makes everything come together when you add in all of these cute little stickers. Now coming in and just spreading out some of those epoxy dots and little star shines all over the layout. Just putting them in with my tweezers. Trying to be artful as I'm putting those in. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.